Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Print to PDF missing in Word on Windows 11. Open Control Panel. Open Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Microsoft Print to PDF. Open Control Panel. Open Turn Windows features on or off. Check Microsoft Print to PDF. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.